Hi, it's Chris at H&I Automotive with another Motor Minute, and today I'm going to answer one of our most popular questions, and that is, why do we have to charge you to diagnose your vehicle? And the simplest answer is, it's a big investment for an auto shop in order to have the equipment, the technology, the software, not to mention the constant training of our technicians in order to diagnose your vehicle. It's just like you wouldn't want to go to a doctor and say, hey, my arm hurts, and he just says, well, let's try this, let's try that. No, he's going to do an MRI, he's going to do an x-ray, he's going to find out what's wrong with your arm so he can properly treat it. So same thing with the vehicle. You come in with a problem, check engine light, suspension noise. My technician's going to spend some time figuring out what is actually causing your issue. That way we can go ahead and fix that issue correctly the first time and get you back on your way. So really it is just an investment standpoint, and we do spend time diagnosing the vehicle, so therefore we do have to charge for it. One thing I really don't like, and it's not really as prevalent as it used to be, but there used to be a lot of shops in town that you go in for your diagnosis. They say, hey, diagnosis is so much, but if you fix your car, I'll just take care of diagnosis for you. Most of the time they are actually misleading you. They just add their diagnostic charge into the cost of the repair and don't show you that you're paying for it. We're totally upfront here. We do charge for our diagnosis, and we want to make sure you know that because it is a valid charge, and there is a lot of investment for that charge. So hopefully it puts a little light on diagnostics. Again, we just want to make sure we take care of your vehicle and do it properly, so we do make that investment. Thank you for spending the time to watch this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.